Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I always thought almonds were just almonds, but it turns out that there can be so much more to them. My eyes were opened when I started eating these almonds from wild soil. They taste amazing. They're sweet, full-flavored, buttery, and we love them not just to eat as a snack, but also to use in cooking, like making pesto and almond milk. It's really a staple in our home. One of the things that really sets apart these almonds from others is that they have 20% more protein than other almonds. My husband is always looking for ways to incorporate more protein into his diet, so being able to add something in that is heart healthy, has good fats, has pre and probiotics, and has 20% more protein is a definite win-win. When I tasted these for the first time, it reminded me of eating almonds off the tree at a friend's house when I was a kid. Wild Soil's almonds are soft, but still crunchy. The softness indicates that they're super fresh and they're not going to break your teeth. These almonds are good for you. They taste amazing. Once you start eating them, you're never going to want to stop. Not only that, but Wild Soil is a really impressive company. Some of the things that they do are eco-farming and having a commitment to a low carbon footprint. It makes you feel good about getting the product and, of course, eating it. I highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.